Hi, today I'm going to be showing you what I just gave you yesterday for your packets and how to use the rest of the books that I told you we'd use later. So in the packet I brought yesterday, the first one is for reading. It's for Unit 9 Week 1, Unit 9 Week 2, Unit 9 Week 3, Unit 10 Week 1, Unit 10 Week 2, and Unit 10 Week 3. Each of them, it says it right up here. So this is Unit 9, Week 1. Every day of the week, one day you'll do the letter names and sounds. One you'll read the CVC words, the long E words, long A words, A blank E. Here is the sight words, and this one is sentences. Then the last day you're going to be recording. Mrs. Highland in the reading will tell you what to do on which day, okay? You have 6 weeks right here in this little packet, so you've got to be really careful with them. You're going to do one a week, all right? This paper, you're going to hold on to it for a while. Mrs. Highland's going to have us write a story about an animal. So hold on to it, don't lose it, so that when it comes time to write our sentence about our story about our animal, you'll have it to write and then to share. Yay! The next two packets are for math. So right now we're doing chapter 12 on measuring, and then we're going to do some grafting. And then you'll have these two papers. This packet, and I'm sorry, one of them stapled backwards, says getting ready. It says GR1, getting ready for first grade. On it, the one that just has the 2 cubes, this is the packet we will do together, and it says hands-on. This paper says hands-on, but it also says right here, reteach. This one you'll do the same day, but we'll do this as a whole group together. This you'll do by yourself, because you guys should be able to do all of this by yourself now, and we'll teach you some things in getting ready for first grade. This we'll do together. This packet you'll do on your own. Just like in math we're doing right now has 4 pages. We have 4 pages, just a little different looking, but it's still 4 pages, okay? And don't worry about this. We won't need this until I think it's next Tuesday. So we still have 4 more days of schooling before that. The last packet that came with it is our testing book. Yeah, we have to do testing because to give you grades, we have to know what you can do. Be really, really careful with this packet. Don't lose it. We'll let you know what days to use it. And there'll be a brand new button in our classroom that says testing. And all of them will be done with Flipgrid, which means I'm hoping you've already practiced recording because you're going to be recording a lot of this down, okay? So like the first one is sight words. Sight words, you're going to read them through. You're going to record yourself reading them. And that's how you'll get your score. So you can be practicing, right? Definitely. This will be letter names and sounds. And we'll have you recording showing us which one we're describing. Okay? Pretty easy, right? This one will give you instructions and you'll draw what we told you. Now remember, this is the kindergartner's work. These are our students' work. We need to see your work and not brothers and sisters and mom and dad's. This one has something to do with 2D shapes and 3D shapes. We'll tell you what to do when it's time and you'll show us, okay? The next one, we're going to talk about something that is longer than something that is shorter than something that is heavier than something, and something that is lighter than something. When it comes time, we'll show you to get onto those pages, all right? Nice job. We have 3 writing papers. Again, when it comes time, we'll tell you when to use it, and you'll find the button on the testing button. The last 2 pages are yellow and pink. We will show you when you need them and what you're going to do with those pages. Just know, be really careful with this packet because this packet is for testing. We want to make sure we have them all done. Now, the last thing we have is you've been holding on to all these books, right? Wondering, when am I going to use them? I'm telling you now. We have the first 2 sight word books, the pink books, and you've been using those with reading, right? If you're doing your reading with Mrs. Highland, you've been doing your sight words. We have 10 more sight words. In this week, you're doing help and to. She'll tell you when to do help and to. Next week, you have has and play. The week after that, look and where. Those are all Unit 9. Now Unit 10, you'll do the words good, when for Unit 10 week 1 and Unit 10 week 2, come and does. So these still go at the same time when you're doing your reading, all right? The next book that you are doing with your reading is this handwriting book that had the fish with the line and the fishbowl. Well, we've learned all of the letters. You're now on to long A letters. You're doing the long A vowel sounds. So in this book, we won't be doing any more letters, but we will be doing 3 pages per week. The first week, this one is just rhyming words. So we have the word mouse. The socks rhyme with mouse. Mop mouse. House mouse. Moose mouse. Yeah, you guys try to stop me on house. House rhymes with moose. You're just going to draw a straight line. You're going to do one of those pages a week on rhyming. The next section is first sounds. They have the first sounds. So this one we have a house, bed. Does it have the same beginning sound? House, bed. House, hand. House, hand. Good. So you'd circle hand. House, hat. House, hat. Same beginning sound. Circle it. Can you color the pictures? Please color the pictures. Make them look really nice. You're going to do 1 page of beginning sounds a week. All right? The last thing you get to do is color names. We have purple, orange, green, yellow, blue, and the last color you'll do in this book is red. Trace the words red, write the word red, color the cherries, apple, sign, ladybug, and wagon red, or the color you're on that day, that week. All 3 of those are 1 a week. Rhyming, beginning sound, and color words, 1 a week. The other green book has the letters in them. If you open it up, excuse me, it has an alligator. You're going to do 2 letters a week. So this week you could do the letter R and the letter S. Remember what you do to the top, you must do to the bottom. You guys know that? Do you have to draw the color of the cute picture? Please. That's why we gave you crayons, so that you could get your work done by your crayons. That's why we gave you the work. The items. The red book has a number book, and we are on number 16. So you can see I already did 15. 16, trace the number. On the bottom, you have to do the same thing, right? What you do to the top, you must do to the bottom. Trace the number 16. Write the word 16. You're right. What you do to the top, you must do to the right bottom. Write the word 16. Teacher forgot her name. Always, always write your name. At the bottom, find the number 16. Turn the page. Down here, we have some little turtles. And you're going to cut out 16 turtles, put them on the rocks. Definitely write your name. You guys know this. On this turtle, you're going to draw the 16 squares. Why 16? We're on the number 16. 1 number every week. 1 number for 5 weeks, and you'll be done. The last one is your yellow journal. Now, what's cool about your yellow journal You're also going to do a flip grid with it once a week. This, you're going to open it up. We're on page 16. I live with my blank. Okay, at the bottom it says family, mom, dad, brother, sister, grandma, grandpa. I live with my, I'm going to write family because I live with my family. I don't live with my mom anymore. I don't live with my dad. I don't live with my grandma or grandpa. Nor do I live with my brother or sister, but I live with my family. So I'm going to write family right here. All right. Then I'm going to draw a picture of me and my family. Every week you're going to do 4 pages. Of those 4 pages you do every week, you get to pick one and record it on Flipgrid. Okay, so I'll have a button special for Flipgrid in the, I think I'll put it in just for fun. All right, so look for it just for fun. Yellow book, sharing my journal. Okay, that is that. Okay, the next video you're going to see is doing our special